I'm the doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb in a Kia 2017. You're going to need a ratchet, 10mm extension, and a wrench. These 3 bolts go right here, right in here. See, right here. This one go right here. You take off right here. These bolts right here. These are right here. That's 1, and that's 2. And the third one's back here. Right here, my finger's at. Right there. Now, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna change out the light bulb. Lifelong from AutoZone. Good brand. What you need. Now, you just give a little pull. Go right there. See these 2 are connected right in here. You tap for here, these 2. And these 1 and 2 go to right here. That's all it is. Now, this light bulb went down. There's this one. Turn like that's all right. And bring it out. Look what we got there. See how burnt it is? This is that right there. Put that right there. where it's at right there. Right up in there. Tighten down. Now, turn the light. I am the doctor. Another patient has successfully succeeded the operation. Now, subscribe to my channel down there at the bottom. Tell me what you think. Let me know. I am the doctor. Peace and have a nice day.